I'm Nicholas Lopez with Bubble Bath Car Wash, and for this premiere edition of Tip Tuesday, I'm going to be showing you how to shine up those dingy headlights. This trick is effective to headlights that are yellowing or have a buildup of dirt on the outside. And instead of going to your local AutoZone and purchasing something like this product or some product similar from $10 to $30, we're recommending that you go straight into your bathroom and use toothpaste to remove that textured feeling on top of the headlight. So the way you know this trick's gonna work for you is you're gonna go and feel the headlight, and if you feel any texture or stickiness to it, you'll know that this trick is the right tip for you. First thing that we're gonna do, you take your toothpaste from home. Personally, I use Colgate Total, makes my teeth white and beautiful. You're gonna put some on your finger, a nice big dab, and rub it thickly on the yellowed part that you feel in the texture. You'll continue doing that over the entirety of the headlight. After the headlight is completely covered, we're then going to go back with a rag and gently continue to rub the toothpaste around the headlight. Now that we've rubbed that all in nice and well, take a moist cloth and just wipe it away. Just like rinsing your mouth. Now, I do not recommend trying to floss your headlight. I don't recommend trying to use mouthwash on your headlight. But this little trick will shine a headlight up like it's brand new. And that is our first trick on Tip Tuesday for Bubble Bath Car Wash.